CSX train Q441-06 was led by one of CSX's three specially painted Pride in Service locomotives on April 6, 2021. Specifically, locomotive 911, representing first responders, was in the lead. Shortly after passing the County Road 121 crossing in Boulogne, Florida, it had an issue with an air hose and went into emergency. It came to a stop quickly with the engineer broadcasting Q441-06, emergency, emergency, emergency on the radio, which I unfortunately did not record. While the conductor went to inspect the train, Amtrak train P098-06, the Silver Meteor, passed it on track 1. Finally, at 5:55 p.m., about 45 minutes after the train initially went into emergency, the train received permission to continue on south towards Jacksonville. footage in this video was recorded on private property with permission from the owners. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Be sure to check out my comprehensive coverage of the Brightline Phase 2 passenger rail construction between West Palm Beach and Orlando, Florida.